Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to start a new tutorial for CSS for complete beginners. So in this CSS tutorial for complete beginners, today we're going to learn how to write CSS in HTML. As you can see into our notepad, we type that three types of way to write CSS in HTML file. One is inline, internal line, and external. So right now I'm going to demonstrate you what's inline, what's internal, and what's external. So first we have to open our Sublime text, and into the Sublime text we just need to type over here into the body section paragraph. And into the paragraph section we just need to if we just want to type over here, hello, I am Red. So as you can see, we wrote over here, hello, I'm Ray into the p tag. So for using inline, what we have to do, we have to come over into the paragraph tag, and then here we just need to type over here style attribute, and into the style attribute we just need to type over here color, and the color will be red. And if you want to change the font size, you can do it as well. Font size, and the font size will be 20 pixel. I'm going to save it. And now if you open in this into the browser, as you can see, the paragraph tag is showing with a red color and the font size is 20 pixel. So this is called inline CSS. And now the next one is internal CSS. So for that, what we have to do, internal CSS basically come into the head section into a HTML file. So before that, we're going to delete this inline text, and we need to come over into the head section, and into the head section we need to add the style tag. Into the style tag we want to customize the color of this p tag. So for that, what we have to do, we just need to type over here p and giving the curly bracket. Into the curly bracket we can simply add the color, and the color we will give a blue, and then we're going to add the font size, and the font size will be 18 pixel. After that we're going to save it, and then if you refresh it, as you can see right now we are getting blue color, and then we are getting 18 pixel the font size. So basically if you type into the head section with the style tag, it's called internal CSS. So now we will going to learn external CSS. So for external CSS, we need to create another file for CSS. So for that, we need to come over into the HTML and going to create a new file, and we will going to name it as style.css, and then save as type as CSS, and going to save it right now. And right now, if you can see, we're going to customize this p tag. So for that, in here we'll type the p, and then we're going to give the curly bracket, and into the curly bracket we're going to type color, and this time we're going to give green, and after that we're going to give the font size, and the font size will be 30 pixel, and then we're going to save it. And now as you can see, if we save it and now if we refresh it, there is nothing changed. So we give a value over here, so this value should be linked with this HTML file. How are we going to do it? We're going to do it into the header tag. So for that, we just need to type over here link attribute, and then into the link attribute, here will be the relation with the style sheet, and the type will be text.css, and into the href we need to put the name of this file. So we're going to copy the name from here and going to paste it over here like this, and then we're going to save it. After, if you refresh it, as we can see in our output in HTML website, it's rightly changed with the green color and with the 30 pixel font size. So this is the 3 types of CSS. That's it. This is how we can simply type CSS in HTML file. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.